Hey guys, what's up? So we just received the DJI Avata 360 and we honestly could not be more excited. Let's not waste any time and jump right into the unboxing of one of DJI's most promising drones, the DJI Avata 360. So here's the handbag. Let's open it. This is what's inside. This is a drone. Let's open this bag. It's a little tight. So here's a drone, the DJI Avata 360. I can tell it's thin and bigger than the DJI Avata 2. I really like its design. And you can see the protection shields around the propellers, which make it safe to fly close to people, objects, or indoor spaces. This is the camera. You can see both lenses here, both lenses 1 and 2. It's one of the great things about this drone that you can actually change between the 360 mode and the single lens mode, which is technically 2 drones in 1. Alright, let's move on. Here's the remote controller. Let's open it. DJI RC 2. You can see the sticks in the back and the folded antennas. With this RC, you can practically fly the drone just like any other traditional drone, like the Mini series or the Mavic series. Alright, let's move on. This package has 3 batteries. Okay. This has to be the charging hub. Yes. 3 batteries and the charging hub. This is the charging hub. With this you can charge all 3 batteries at the same time and not separately, which is super useful, especially if you're in the field and you're in a hurry to get back in the air. Alright, let's see what else we have here. This has to be the landing pad. Let's open it. Nice. It's kind of big. Yes, so here's the landing pad, the orange landing pad that says DJI on it. This is actually to protect the drone and the lenses from dust and dirt during takeoff and landing, which is very important for the 360 lenses. Let's see what else we have inside the bag. Yes, lastly we have some extra propellers. Screwdriver in case you want to change the propellers, a USB-C cable, a small opening guide, and this is to clean the lenses in case you have dirt. Okay, let's put it all back inside the bag, because we have some wind. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Apart from this bag, we also have 2 other accessories. The DJI Goggles N3. This is probably one of the coolest parts of this setup, because it's basically what gives you the FPV experience, where you can actually see what the camera sees as if you're flying yourself, which is pretty awesome. Okay, let's open it. Here are the goggles. We have folded antennas. We have signal. Here are the straps, which through this pad, if you turn this, it makes the goggles adjustable to your head. Okay, moving on. Let's see what else we have. Okay, and here we have another remote controller, the DJI RC Motion 3. Let's see it. Let's open it. Okay. This can be very interesting compared to the traditional RC because it lets you fly the drone through the motion of your own hand. See? Through the motion of your own hand. You can see all the buttons and sticks up here. It's supposed to be very beginner friendly, and the combination of the RC Motion 3 and the goggles gives you a whole different and immersive experience of flying this drone, and we seriously cannot wait to try it. And that's all we have. All we have to do now is charge everything, do all the necessary updates, and fly. We really can't wait to try this cool drone and dive into the 360 world that the DJI Avata 360 has to offer. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye everybody.